This is the look I'm going to be doing today. It's my going out on the weekend, dance my booty off look. Positive vibes only, please. Guys, look at my hair. It's so fun! Before I started filming, I washed my face with Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Face Cleanser and I moisturized with Cetaphil. For my face primer, I'm going to be using Nivea Post Shave Balm. It is the best face primer. You don't need a lot. It makes your face really smooth, so the makeup application goes on like flawlessly. It's going to feel just like the tiniest bit sticky, but it's going to help everything. We're going to apply Dream BB Pure by Maybelline. I never really use foundation. I have like freckles and my face is a little pink. I add this and it just like covers up that redness. So I went home this weekend. I took my sister's senior photos. She's graduating, guys. My mom had bought her some beauty blenders. She gave me one. It's Eco Tools. It's really nice. I dampened this just a little bit. It just helps the makeup look smoother in my opinion. And what's great with this is it has like this little flat edge at the top. And so I just put like a tiny bit of product on there. And then I do the creases around my nose. So when I went home this weekend, I went to the motocross races with my dad. It was so cold, it really felt like 40 the entire time. Since it was cold, my nose kept running. I put sunscreen on. I guess just blowing my nose so much rubbed all the sunscreen off. And so I got this huge sunburn on my nose, but it was awful. So I do not tan, guys. I sunburn. Alright, next we're going to be taking e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush and applying Revlon Photo Ready. Fair Light. And I like dab. I dab on my powder and then I go back over and like. Next, eyebrows. I used to hate doing my eyebrows so much. Like I dreaded it. It was so difficult. They always look different. They're so easy now. Alright, after the eyebrows, we are going to contour, bronze, all that fun stuff. I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Flushed Streak Bronzer, Highlighter, and Blush. We're using the Revlon Contour Brush, super pretty, and you just want to get like right on top, right under on those cheekbones. So what I usually do is I think about like making a 3. I do my forehead and then like kind of come down on the cheekbone and then around just a little and then like under here. I just add the tiniest bit onto the side of my nose because it just makes your nose just like have that nice shape, like symmetrical with your face. Makeup's powerful, guys. Alright, next we're going to do the eyes. My friend Sarah left this here. I haven't seen her in a minute, so I haven't been able to give it back to her. But it is the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. Wow, could that get any longer? Soft Nude. And I'm going to put it on my waterline just to like make my eyes pop. And my roommate was kind enough to let me borrow her Tarte eyeshadow palette. Look, it opens up so cool. So for our base, we're going to put Festival on. It's right here. And this is an Eco Tools shadow brush. Alright, and then in the crease, we're going to do Joyous, which is right next to Festival. And it's like the color just a little bit darker and it has some shimmer in it. I love shimmer. Alright, I use this Sephora Precision eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take Genie and I just like dab it. Then I just gently run it along my bottom lashes, very softly. And once I put on the bottom eyeshadow, I take my Revlon All Over Shadow that I do not use for all over shadow. I'm gonna like blend the bottom just to give it a more smokier look. And I'm gonna take that same brush in the same color Genie and do like a light top eyeliner. After I'm done with applying my shadow, I just take my contour brush and I just like try and remove the excess, if there was any excess underneath. I take my powder again and I just like apply a little under there. Curling your eyelashes is so bittersweet. Do y'all think curling your eyelashes is bittersweet? I thought I lost my mascara. It was right in front of me. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is the best mascara. Next to CoverGirl. Like, this is better, and then CoverGirl. And so I totally forgot to do this before I started applying my mascara, but in the corner, I'm gonna put Wander just to like give your eye a little brightness. For my bottom lashes, I do use CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume just because the mascara bristles are smaller and spread out, and it's like easier to get bottom lashes which are so close together. Alright, so my best friend Lola got me these awesome like unicorn brushes. They're not labeled or anything, I don't know, they're super cute though. And I'm going to use this to apply my highlighter, and today I'm going to go for Forever Young, which is like this purple one. So again, I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner. This is natural. And I applied my EOS. And I'm going to be using, again, NYX. This is Soft Matte Lip Cream, Stockholm. Alright, so we've come to the end of my look, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.